Experience a new level of precision with the PHROZEN Sonic Mighty Revo 16K, a professional resin 3D printer engineered for creators, engineers, designers, dentists, jewelers, and manufacturers who demand ultra-high detail and exceptional print quality. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the PHROZEN Sonic Mighty Revo 16K, a next-generation LCD, MSLA resin 3D printer featuring an advanced 10.1-inch monochrome LCD, incredible 16K resolution, ultra-fine 14x19 micrometers XY resolution, and intelligent smart failure detection technology for more reliable and efficient printing. Whether you're producing highly detailed miniatures, engineering prototypes, dental models, jewelry, collectible figures, medical components, or professional product designs, the Sonic Mighty Revo 16K delivers outstanding precision and smooth surface finishes that meet the demands of both hobbyists and professionals. At the heart of the printer is a powerful 10.1-inch 16K monochrome LCD screen that captures even the finest textures, sharp edges, and intricate geometries with remarkable accuracy. Its ultra-high 14x19 micrometers XY resolution allows every layer to be reproduced with exceptional clarity, making it ideal for applications where precision is critical. Key features. Professional LCD, MSLA resin 3D printer. Ultra-high 16K printing resolution. 10.1-inch monochrome LCD display. Ultra-fine 14x19 micrometers XY resolution. Exceptional detail reproduction. Smart failure detection technology. Intelligent print monitoring. High-speed monochrome LCD curing. Excellent dimensional accuracy. Smooth surface finish. High-precision layer consistency. Reliable long-duration printing. User-friendly touchscreen interface. Optimized light source for uniform exposure. Compatible with a wide range of photopolymer resins. Professional prototyping capabilities. Dental, jewelry, engineering, and manufacturing applications. Ideal for miniatures, figurines, and collectibles. Stable and durable mechanical design. Advanced workflow for professional users. The integrated smart failure detection system helps identify common printing issues before they become major problems, reducing material waste and improving printing success rates. This intelligent feature provides additional confidence during long print jobs and allows users to focus on productivity rather than constant monitoring. Thanks to its advanced monochrome LCD technology, the Sonic Mighty Revo 16K offers faster exposure times, improved durability, and greater efficiency than previous generation resin printers while maintaining exceptional print accuracy. Its optimized optical system ensures consistent light distribution across the entire build platform, producing uniform curing and highly accurate dimensions from the center to the edges of every print. Whether you work in product development, industrial design, dentistry, jewelry manufacturing, engineering, tabletop gaming, animation, model making, or commercial resin production, the PHROZEN Sonic Mighty Revo 16K offers the precision, reliability, and performance needed to transform your ideas into reality. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews, demonstrations, and the latest innovations in resin 3D printing, additive manufacturing, digital manufacturing, engineering technology, and professional fabrication equipment.